Have you ever wondered which exchange to use at this bear market for all of you UK and Canadian users? Which can benefit you lot to prepare for the next bull run? I got some wizardy insight today for Bitget exchange, as me myself is using this exchange daily. So fasten your seatbelt and let's go. As you can see, based on this data, Bitget is quite ranked high among all exchanges. Bitget is top 15 volume-wise, and even higher volumes on futures trading transaction proves on how Bitget is pretty secure and well managed. I can assure you how Bitget is very secure and has complete features to use for UK and Canadian users. Not only that, Bitget is pretty much opening their assets holding and reserve on Nansen.ai, as the data is pretty complete there from us to all crypto assets. You can also take a look on the full lists of their holding below. Just like Binance, Bitget pretty much proves their transparency to the public and their users, which is a really good move. In an industry where trust is paramount, Bitget prioritizes the security of your funds. With advanced security measures, including multi-factor authentication and cold storage, Bitget ensures that your assets are safeguarded from unauthorized access. Rest easy knowing that your investments are protected. Just like Binance and all top exchanges, Bitget is pretty tight on its security part. So as those three aspects are pretty vital, and Bitget is doing pretty good on all of those aspects, I can recommend you to use Bitget as main exchange for all of you UK and Canadian users. This situation revolving Binance and Bybit quite in UK market makes Bitget the perfect choice to go for your main exchange. And now no need to worry to use Bitget, as you will be welcomed with lot of rewards and bonuses. Register and sign up today on Bitget and enjoy all its offerings. Stay tuned on the next video.